I is for Iguana with Hopi. Hi there, I'm Hopi. Today is a very special day because we are going on a hunt for the letter I. The letter I makes an IH-IH-IH sound. Are you ready to find some I things with me? Let's go! Look who I found in the garden. This is my new friend, Iggy. He is a bright green lizard called an iguana. I is for iguana. Iggy has a long, wiggly tail and very cool scales. Oh my, it is starting to feel very chilly. Look what Iggy and I found. It's a house made of cold, white blocks of ice. This is an igloo. I is for igloo. It looks like a big snowball we can live in. Hopi crawls through the small door to see what it's like. It's so quiet and peaceful. She finds a soft blanket to sit on. I is for inside. It's fun to be inside the igloo where it's nice and calm. Look down at the ground, Iggy. There are so many tiny friends moving through the flowers. These are called insects. I is for insects. We see ants, beetles, and bees all working together. Hopi finds a very special insect. It is a tiny green inchworm. It moves by pulling its back up into a little loop. I is for inchworm. Hopi holds out her finger so the little worm can say hi. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, do you hear that sound? It's the most delicious I word of all. Hopi and Iggy hear the music and start to dance. They know exactly what is coming down the street. Oh, it's cold, sweet, and yummy. Hopi got a giant cone with 3 big scoops. I is for ice cream. She has pink strawberry, white vanilla, and purple grape. Don't forget Iggy. He wants a cool treat too. He sticks out his long tongue for a tiny lick of the vanilla. I is for icy. The ice cream is very cold on his tongue, but he loves it. We found so many wonderful things today. Iguanas, igloos, insects, and ice cream. The letter I is incredible. Thanks for exploring with Hopi and Iggy. See you next time. I is for Iguana with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and friends.